Michelle here, and I'm going to show you how to install your new basket onto your Kooper stroller. Sometimes you got to replace it. That's all right. I like to start at the front of the basket again, put it back on its handle, and you want to make sure you have the right side facing out. And I'm just going to button this back on like so. Easy. Okay. Now that we have that on, I'm going to move to the sides. Remember, they go over from the outside in. 2 snaps on each side. And then all you have left is the back. And those are going to go over the bar. Snap the 3 snaps. And your basket is now replaced.